Hello everyone. You must have heard about a country controlling another. Yes, it can happen. It's possible. But how a private company can bring a vast country like India under its control? Yes, it is very surprising. In this video, I am going to tell you about 3 devices used by the British East India Company to control Indian territory. The first device was subsidiary alliance. The subsidiary alliance was an alliance between Indian states and the British East India Company. It was introduced by French East India Company's governor Joseph Marquis Duplessis much prior than Lord Wellesley. But Lord Wellesley used this subsidiary alliance to expand the British Empire in India. That's why his name is associated with it. It was a very effective device. Let's discuss its features. The first, Indian ruler was required to acknowledge British East India Company as paramount power in India. He would accept British army within his territory. He would remove his own army, thus Indian soldiers would become jobless. He would pay subsidy for maintaining the British army. If the ruler failed to make payment as per the alliance, then any part of the state would be taken by the British East India Company. Next, a British officer known as resident would be appointed in his court. The ruler would not negotiate with any other rulers or any other powers without prior consent from Governor General. He would not employ any European in his service without getting approval from the British. The point was added to counter the influence of the French, who were the enemies of the British East India Company. The British would protect the state from any external attack or internal revolts. The British would follow the policy of non-interference in the internal matters of the Allied states. This was rarely kept. It means the British resident who was appointed in the court of the Indian ruler would always interfere in the matters of the ruler. Let us discuss its effects. Under the subsidiary alliance, many small and big states came under the British rule. Many soldiers and officers were deprived of their livelihoods. Many unemployed soldiers began to join the roaming groups of plunderers such as Pindaris. There is one question in your book that what were the benefits of subsidiary alliance to the British? Let us discuss the benefits. The subsidiary alliance system disarmed the majority of the states, hence there was no question of Indian states revolting against the British East India Company. Next, it brought vast areas under the British control. A large standing army was maintained by the company at the cost of the Indian rulers, which could be used by the Britishers against any Indian state. With the company's forces stationed in most of the states, these became under the control of the British. It became easy for the British East India Company to counteract the French influence. Under this alliance, the Indian states were asked to dismiss all the Frenchmen from their service. Full sovereignty over many Indian states was obtained by the British. The states which signed this alliance were Hyderabad, Mysore, Tanjore, Awadh, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bundi and Bharatpur. The second device which was used by the British East India Company against Indians was doctrine of lapse. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. According to this doctrine, if any Indian ruler dies without leaving a male heir to his throne, his kingdom would be automatically passed over to the British. The doctrine of lapse became one of the most responsible causes of the revolt of 1857. That was the reason after the revolt, the doctrine of lapse was abolished to calm down the Indians. The states which were controlled under this doctrine were Satara, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Nagpur and Jhansi. The third device used by the Britishers was direct wars, such as Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, wars against Tipu Sultan, Marathas and Sikhs. That's all about the devices used by the British East India Company to control India. Hope you have understood. Have a good day. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications about my latest videos.